The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a flash flood warning for southern Davidson County and Middle Tennessee, Williamson County and Middle Tennessee. This includes the city of Franklin until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:24 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated flash flooding from a thunderstorm over the warned area. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to Fairview, Nolensville, Forest Hills, Brentwood, and Cool Springs. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. The water depth may be too great to allow your car to cross safely. Move to higher ground. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the warning area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Do not attempt to cross swiftly flowing waters or waters of unknown depth by foot or by automobile.